Alright, this short clip is of us annealing the ring that goes around the axle. The ring had worn out and had worn on an angle, and we had to build it up, weld build it with a 7018 electrode. And what happens when you weld the malleable cast, the carbon content goes into the weld and makes it super hard, and we can't machine it. So we have to run it up to about 1530 degrees and put it in bury it in the sand and let it cool overnight so we can come in tomorrow and machine it back and make it true. So this is a little video of us annealing the ring. Okay, in this video, this is another one of those axle rings that's been built up by weld, but we had a little dilemma when we put them onto the forge to heat them up to 1500 degrees. What had happened was we couldn't control the heat very well. So the oils in the casting had blown out and pitted through and blew holes into the casting when the oil was expelled out in the high temperature. So to rectify the problem, we'll go outside here, and we made a little oven to put them in so they were not directly on the fire. And here you see our heat treating oven, annealing oven, and we will heat them up. So far we're only at 450 degrees and climbing, so we'll get up to about 1000, take that out and let it coast a little longer, get them up to temperature, and then bury them in the sand. So inside there is one of the rings all built up, and we'll anneal it so I can machine it tomorrow. It's just a video to show the progression. We do make mistakes sometimes, and you can't just throw them on the forge direct on the coals because it's a little too hot and it blows the casting out a little bit. So there's our progress so far on ASL-100 axle rings.